Okay, hides, which is another word for leather or skins, right? Unlike fabric, which comes in rolls, skins don't come in rolls. It's the skin of an animal, right? It has an irregular shape. So which means that when you lay down your patterns, you have to work within the shape of the skin. So what happens in these situations is that a lot of waste occurs. Like this area right here is pretty much wasted, right? So what they do with leather is they will put seams. If you notice that leather jackets have a lot of seams. Why? Because the smaller the pieces, the more you can utilize every little corner, because you want to use every inch possible. Skins are very expensive. So you have to keep this in mind when you're laying down patterns onto a skin, onto leather. Okay? Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.